Today we're going to talk about fish monitoring, aquatic life uses, and identification in Southeast Ohio streams. Why do we care about what fish are in the streams? Fish can be used as indicator species to show if the waters are impaired or improving. Fish are used to determine aquatic life uses, personal interest, looking for endangered species as well as invasive species, and because it's fun. I want to talk a little bit about aquatic life uses and the attainment. Aquatic life uses are not based on chemical parameters. These are use designations based on the biology of a stream. There are 5 aquatic life uses: exceptional warm water habitat, modified warm water, limited resource, and cold water. Aquatic life uses can be fully attaining, partially attaining, and not attaining. For a stream segment to be fully attaining its aquatic life use, all of the biological indicators must be meeting the criteria. For a stream to be partially meeting, some aquatic life might be meeting, some might not. For a stream segment to be totally non-attaining, none of the biological indicators will be meeting the criteria. I want to go through each one of the aquatic life uses really quickly. The first is exceptional warm water. This is, as it sounds, this is a warm water system with an exceptional assemblage of biological species in there. So we might have rare species, threatened, endangered, and specifically species that are very sensitive to pollution. Warm water habitat is the restoration goal of most of our streams in Ohio. A stream attaining warm water habitat defines the typical warm water assemblage. The fish are there and the macroinvertebrates are there that you would expect to see in a stream in this region. Modified warm water habitat has been irreversibly modified. It might be a concrete channel or a ditch through an agricultural field. These are typically modified by humans, not going to recover, usually really low dissolved oxygen, no habitat. Limited resource water, like modified, has typically been modified by humans, but limited resource are typically small streams with less than 3 square miles of drainage, irretrievably altered to the extent that no assemblage of aquatic life can live there. Cold water habitat. Some cold water species must be present. These are species that will not survive if the temperatures throughout the year get too warm. So if you have cold water taxa there, you might be looking at a cold water stream. These are usually very high quality streams, very sensitive to pollution. This concludes the importance of fish collection and aquatic life uses.